G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 21, 2023. This is the Bitcoin update. Since yesterday's update, the price has pretty much run sideways. On the daily chart, you can see there. On the hourly chart, this was our last update, and you'll notice here the price did reach just above the 61.8 Fibonacci extension, using that Fibonacci extension range there. So again, trading only long positions on Bitcoin at the moment, because the daily is in a long. The CCI 1500 on the 400 period moving average is heading long when it's turned green, and likewise on the hourly, it's also in a long positioning. But very importantly, it's broken up through this key resistance area, and we've got another support area down here, but it's broken up through the resistance, so that's a good sign in terms of going long. So what we're going to do, you'll notice here, this is forming another minor resistance at this level. So I'm going to just put a horizontal resistance area just at that point there, and I'll mark it as dotted, and that meaning it's still just forming. So in other words, we want to see it confirm, and in which case we'll remove this solid resistance area and give us that as our major resistance. So if it breaks through that, we've got further upside, as you can see. Otherwise it may come back down and break to the downside, so I'll keep an eye on that. That could be a reversal potentially, so just be mindful of that. Otherwise, at the moment, all positions going long. And since our last trade, if you were trading this, you would have gone long when the candle broke outside of that fractal. That would have been a position to go long, and you possibly would have exited the trade when it broke within the grey zone of the fractal, or at some monetary or percentage gain at your choosing. And again, that's up to you in terms of your risk profile. One thing to notice as well is that extension is a 61.8 extension, just above it. And we've still got a potential further upside if it reaches the 78%. So that is a key area for potential reversal. The 61.8 is typically a reversal area. But again, that's usually on retracements, and this is an extension. So we'll keep an eye on that and see how it goes. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel. And if you really like the channel, support us on our Patreon page, and see you in the next video.